Hi guys, today for maths we are going to be looking at comparing prices. Now the reason why comparing prices is so important when you're learning to deal with money is because if you want to buy something, you're going to need to shop around at a few different shops, find out what the prices are, and do a little bit of a comparison to help you decide which one you're going to buy. So we are going to use this JB Hi-Fi website for our lesson today. So I've given you the link, but you could also just Google JB Hi-Fi and this page will pop up, and I've given you this template to work on. So I'm just going to talk you through each of the different parts. Now, once you've got that website up, you'll be able to go to gaming consoles and you can find the price of what it costs to buy a PlayStation 4, what it costs to buy an Xbox, and what it costs to buy a Nintendo Switch. Now you can either go into gaming, which is here, and go into consoles and bundles, and it should bring up for you the price of all of the different consoles. So for example, we have found that the Xbox One console is $379. So we always make sure we use our dollar sign and we type in 379 and no cents. We then go back to have another look to see how much the Nintendo consoles are, and you can see that it costs $449. Dollar sign again, $449. 00. We then go back to find out the cost of the PlayStation. Now what you can also do, if that's easier, is type PlayStation for console up the top in this little box here, and that should bring up for you all of the prices of the things that you need. Now this is telling us that the PlayStation costs $519, so I'm going to type that in as well. Once you've got your three prices from the website, you're going to answer these couple of questions. Now you're going to look at your three prices and tell me which is the most expensive. Is it the PlayStation 4, is it the Xbox, or is it the Nintendo Switch? Write that down for me. How much money would you save if you got the cheapest one? Now we can see up here that actually the PlayStation is the most expensive, but if we decided not to spend $519 and we decided to get the Xbox instead, what's the difference in money here? Now you're going to have to do a subtraction of 519 take away 379 to get your answer. So this one here is a takeaway to find out what the answer is. I am going to buy the something because. So choose one of those and tell me your reason why. You might just tell me that you're going to buy the one because it's the cheapest and you won't have to save up too much of your pocket money. You might tell me that you like PlayStation better and it's got more games and that's why you're going to choose that one. So this one is just your reason, and it could be any reason. Now I've given you PlayStation and Xbox and Nintendo in this box, but I haven't given you any items here. So this time it's a little bit trickier because you're going to have to find some laptops and find out how much they cost. Because if you were going to be in a real shop and buying a laptop, you would have to go to the website, type in laptops, or you might be able to find it in the side icon, and lots of laptops come up for us. Now you don't have to tell me the price of all of these, you can just choose a couple. Now I can see that there's a HP laptop here and it costs $699. So I'm going to write in here HP laptop and it costs, I've forgotten the price, $599 and no cents. So I've got one laptop there. Let's compare to another one because I don't want to buy the first laptop I find. I'd like to see if there's any other laptops. Now laptops have lots of different screens and memories and lots of different capabilities about them, so that's why they all cost different prices. All right, here's a new brand. I'm going to type Lenovo. That's a different type of computer, a different brand, Lenovo laptop. You don't have to give me too much details about it. We're just comparing prices. So this one costs $1,299. So I'm going to pop that in. 1,299. And let's get one or two more. All right, let's keep scrolling. I'm going to look for a different brand I haven't got yet. Oh, here's a Razer laptop. I'm going to put that one in, Razer. You don't have to choose all the same ones as me. You can choose different ones. This one costs $3,299. My goodness, $3,299. And writing these numbers in here is helping you practice your place value. Okay, and I'm going to choose this Microsoft laptop here, which is $1,999. So back to my template, Microsoft, and that was $1,999. Okay, and same questions again. Of all these laptops, the HP, the Lenovo, the Razer, and the Microsoft, which one was the most expensive? You should be able to have a look at your list here and think about where the place value of these numbers is and tell me which one's the most expensive. Now, I can see from my examples that this Razer one is $3,000, so that would make that one the most expensive. How much would I say if I got the cheapest one? Well, which one is the cheapest one? The cheapest one in my list is $599, the HP. So instead of buying $3,299, take away $599. This is a takeaway. Remember we said that above. You're going to tell me how much you would save. I'm going to buy the Microsoft because I like that brand. The last one you're going to do is compare some TVs. So you can choose whatever size TV you would like. So go to TV and all these TVs pop up for you. So if you only want to use little numbers, then just choose some of these cheaper TVs. If you'd like to challenge yourself and work with some of these bigger numbers, then you can choose some of the bigger TVs. But again, you'll just go to your piece of paper and you'll type in the brand, like Samsung. We need a capital letter, they're much better, Samsung, and you'd give me a price, and then you might choose a TCL TV, and give me a price for that, and you'll answer the same questions again. It's really important to remember that the most expensive is the one with the bigger number, and to find out the difference, you need to do a takeaway. So you get the most expensive and you take away the cheapest, and that will give you your answer for that question.